babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another wig install. Of course, we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. Today we are working with OhMyPretty. Shout out to OhMyPretty for sponsoring today's video. So this texture is water wave. I currently have a 22-inch, color is 1B. The lace construction is a 4x4. This is HD lace quality. She is 180 density, but they also offer a 250 density if you are someone that prefers thicker, fuller wigs, although the 180 is just enough. You can also get this in what they call a Brazilian or a Mongolian texture. She is available in 14 to 30 inches, so you can gauge what that would look like. This is a 22. This cap size is medium. It has adjustable straps, combs. It's pre-plucked, they are lightly bleached knots, and you can install this as a glueless wig. So that is it for the specs of the hair, but what I'm going to show you in this video is how I create baby hairs on my 4x4 closure wigs. I have been doing a few 4x4 lace installs, and I think for the most part I skipped the baby hairs because it's such a little bit of lace. But for this one, I'm going to show you in detail how I create them, how I style them, how I lay them. So what I show you in this video is a detailed step-by-step tutorial on these Swoop baby hairs, which are created on a 4x4 closure wig. So if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I will create a playlist of all my 4x4 closure wig installs so you can see different ways that I style and install my 4x4 wigs. As far as OhMyPretty, all their links and details will be down in the description box. So if you're interested in purchasing from them, be sure to check the description box. Drop a comment down below if you are into these 4x4s, because I know the frontals can become a hassle, especially on the edges and especially with this summer heat that is approaching us. So I want to thank you ladies once again for watching this video. Big shout out to OhMyPretty for sponsoring today's video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
100,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, but shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalists flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I played it back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach